Hello friends, I'm a day late with the final live for our Duffle Sew-Along for 2024, so I apologize about that. But I'm just hopping on to share my finished duffel bag with you, and I had put up a poll to see if there were any more questions, and it seems like everyone's good. Someone was so sweet to say thank you for hosting the Sew-Along. I'm so happy we could host the Sew-Along. So thank you all for participating in the Sew-Along. It's been such a fun one. So I wanted to just share my finished bag. So here is my finished duffel bag. This is out of Oh Lucky Lucky for Ruby Star Society in the canvas tumbler block print. I used Tula Pink zipper tape and the extra large Tula Pink zipper pulls. And I'm going to show you the inside. Just these pulls. Okay. The inside is the Starling Butterfly print. I cannot wait to get more of it. It's so cute. It's such a cute print. So I got it finished. I added a few labels. Let's see, I added some fruit on the side and a little black star under the handle. Oh, and then my knot and thread tag there. Anyways, so I'm just sharing my finished duffel. But I wanted to let you all know that the emails that have gone out are available on my blog. So if you joined us late, or if you want to make a duffel now and haven't made one and want some of the tips that we shared, you can always access all the information we shared in our emails and on YouTube through our blog. So that's available for everybody to enjoy there. So I'm happy we can host that there so that you can just, hopefully get any of your questions answered. But I'm always happy to help, so you can always pop into my DMs if you have any questions. And that's it. That's the end of the Sew-Along. I was going to show you, I'm going to show you. I was debating whether to show you this or not, because I have a new pattern coming out next week. So I'm very excited about it. Hopefully next week. I mean, it's on our calendar for a launch next week, but we've been doing a lot of prep work for this one. So I'm going to show you a sneak peek of my next pattern coming. Mostly because it's already in the video screen. So that one's it right there. This is one of the, I think I've made like 5 of these now. So this is my newest bag pattern. This will be the Janet May purse. I named it after my dad's mom, so my grandmother. She loved purses and she would buy them in every color. So when I was trying to think of a name for this bag, I was like, I think it seems fitting to remember her that way. So the Janet May purse will be out next week. It's like a crossbody bag, like this. It's adjustable, and it has a front zipper pocket here, and it has a back slip pocket here in the back, easy access, and it has 4 pockets on the inside, so 2 slip pockets on this side, 2 on this side. I know it's kind of hard to see. And it has a zippered top on top, zipper closures, so all of your stuff is nice and secure in there. So anyways, the Janet May purse is coming soon. Anyways, thank you so much though for joining along for the Sew-Along, and I hope you guys keep sharing your finished bags. And yeah, that's it. It's a nice and quick and short video today. So thank you all for tuning in, and I hope you have a really great week, and I will chat with you guys probably very soon.